North East Zone Cultural Center NEZCC Dimapur but South Central Zone Cultural Center SCZCC Nagpur lingba ka Ministry of Culture Government of India ha ka Jingrwai but ka Bhoi College Nongpo ka North East Integration Rally but ka KRC Foundation ha ka Nritri Ulber Arja Arponrio kilapan nong yak Bharat Ko Jano and Border Area Program and Madhya Dakshini Festival Hari Bhoi College Nongpo. Kanigo program bat tamasa ka day ringkat ka jingtmu ban kantiu ya ka jingatali bat ban penyaso ya ki culture Bapher jongkari India. Hagadi ngi lawan ban Sakhi lang daka Assistant Commissioner Bhoi District ka E Marak kum ka Kongsan haringkat ka jingadon lang u Dr. Prashana Gogoi Director ka NEZCC Dimapur u Oliver T Pingjan Deputy Director ka NEZCC ka Kong WK Bla Secretary Bhoi College Lem Kiwei. Shusho ki pajba kila yok ban Sakhi ki Jingshad ba Jingrwai Tynrai bala wanra da ki kenhon na ki Jylla kom ka Telangana, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, bat Chhattisgarh. Nalor kata kekenhon ruai bat Shat Tynrai nari Bhoi College ru kala yok ban Shembenta da ka bapen I pajba ya ki Riti Dostor bat ki Jingshad Tynrai jong ke Jylla Meghalaya. Kidong penyat kila ong bakum kini ki program kilong ki badan kambha ban kentiu ya ka jingatali kari bat ban penslor ya ki samla ban tip bat burom ya ki culture Bapher.
Events like these are very special because they bring people of different cultures together. And when people from different parts of the region share the same stage, it reminds us of a very important thing, that our diversity is not something that divides us, but rather it is something that strengthens us. Today we have various artists from the South Central region and also some local artists of Meghalaya, of Bhoi College, sharing the same stage. When we share our culture with one another, we not only learn from one another, but we learn to inspire and we learn to grow closer as a nation. And to the students present here today, this program is especially meaningful for you because when when you are exposed to different cultures, it not only broadens your perspective, but it also keeps you open-minded, and it instills in you a spirit of respect that for people who come from very different backgrounds. And in today's world, integration is not only about geography, but it is about understanding. When you interact with people from different parts of the country, from another culture, from another language, you are strengthening the unity of the nation in the most practical way. And I would also like to congratulate the organizers for bringing this initiative in Jingrwai, and also for creating a platform where culture can act as a bridge which connects different parts of the country. And I would also like to express my sincere gratitude and appreciation for the various artists of the South Central region, who I'm sure must be very exhausted and tired considering the distance that they had to travel.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka batau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha, ka jing im bakam bha, pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety, Meghalaya.